Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So today we are doing a detailed tutorial of this design here. Then we'll go ahead and price it, how much we'll be selling it, and at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode, so make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. And let's get right into the video. All the materials used will be in the description box. This section is more or less of an observation, so you have to really observe to understand it very well. So I wouldn't be talking much, but let's take it just a minute and then I'll be out of here. Then I'll leave you to observe. So I just put one of the, I'm using a horizontal and a vertical thread. Let's just say a top and down and left and right thread. So the left and right thread is under the top and down thread. I believe that makes sense. And this is the first step. So let's try it again. So the thread goes over it just like so. Then the right thread comes over it and passes under. So it goes over and passes under. Just watch closely. It's very easy, you'll surely get it. Just watch closely. Yeah, so if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment episode 23 is uploaded. This is episode 22. We are still on the beading series. And if you really enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to push my video. And I'll see you in episode 23. I'm not saying bye yet because we'll surely keep in touch, but please enjoy the video. And if you have any comments, you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much once again for stopping by my channel. It's a pleasure meeting you here. Yeah guys, so this is episode 22. This is the end of episode 22. It's very simple, very easy to do. You can go ahead and try it at home. You can use any beads you want, and I decided to use these beads to write PAMA. So this is what you have, PAMA here. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, so that's the subscription button. If you've not hit it up to this point, then please smash it for me. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, so if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment episode 23 is uploaded, which will be 2 days from now. We are back to uploading 4 times in a week, so you don't want to miss any of this, so please subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded, and I'll see you in episode 23. Bye.